So this is the first I'm doing a vlog in the walking, guys. I'm on the street. Winter storm in Canada, man. And this is in Aylmer. I'm walking. Sorry I leave my doing a short video. Look at it. You can see it's winter in the air. Winter's in the air, guys. This is my last vlog for the 2025 year. So I'm just doing a vlog here just to see what the night life looks like. A short video of 2025. That's my last video. You can see a lot of people with their lights still on their houses. I'm just doing a small walk. I'm not driving this time. First time. I don't like snow, but I'm just walking outside. It's not that cold. People have down their lights on their home just the same way. The pizza man is delivering pizza. See, you can see? Lights are everywhere. School is over there. You can see the plow truck going, plowing the street. They're plowing the street. Guys are plowing. There. You can see the plow truck plowing. Yeah. Plowing, guys. People still on the street, driving. Look at this, right now, still falling. slowly but surely. So we are at the west, you can see. It's a big church. So we are in Aylmer, Ontario, guys. Aylmer, Ontario. We're west, close to London. Not really close to London, not 3/4 hour away from London, Ontario. So this is my last vlog for 2025. And I'm walking, doing it in the snow. I'm not a man of snow. So I like it. Someone is falling and not cold. You can see. So I'm walking up John Street right now, heading towards John and Talbot. The square. It's not a big square, it's a small little square. Still, this is a vlog, man. Enjoying it. Lady of Sorrow Church. I don't know why they call it that, but it's weird name. People are inside the church. They're doing thing there. Watch night service. Should go do a vlog in there, but forget it. This is the township center. I'm crossing the street. Street kind of look dead now because people just gonna relax at their home. Lots of people just gonna stay home. As you can see, this is the part of the town center. They turn off most of the lights. You're not gonna see any light. So it's an apartment building there. So this is the city hall here. Normally they have a light on there, no? So you can see the place is pretty much on the siege because hardly anybody is out, as you can see. People are driving around. Having pretty much just having time of their life. Trucks are coming up. So this is just a nightlife video. Last video of the year. Nice store inside here. They have sale too. So we're right at Talbot and John. So we're right at the intersection, guys, of the series where a big accident happened the last time. I took a video right here. It was a big accident. It's a big. How you doing? Good, good. So we're just doing a short video there. The light changes. Sure. Yeah. These two guys are going to the shelter where they get food. This is the pharmacy here. In Aylmer, there is no homeless people on the street, and that's a good thing about it in this small little town. No homeless. There's halfway houses, but there's no homeless folks on the street, and that is good, guys. Not even in the summertime, you don't see none of those people. Period. This is a nice little video. This really fired a lot. The fire happened a couple of years ago. I think it's about 2 years ago. Fire burned down this whole place. Yeah, so we're gonna cross the street here and walk back up there. You can see. Pizza place is open. My friend used to have this restaurant and they closed it down. Mexican people, they own it now. Hey, how are you doing? Good, good, good. Happy New Year when it comes, man. As you can see, walking on the street. Lots of people come out to get their pizza, the last pizza in the night. They have their fun. These are nice dresses. Some of them look good. Sign say open, but it's closed. The pharmacy over here. So this is a bank. This is exactly where the accident happened, guys. Right here, the intersection. Right here. Yeah. So we are in this intersection of John and Talbot. See? Yeah. So the light changes. I'm crossing over. Crossing over. You can see. It's closed. Open pizza place. Snowing. I see the store. Front store look good for the winter. Beautiful. KFC over there. This restaurant is open. The station is open. Snow is coming down. blowing towards me. And that's the thing, that's the rough part of it, the blowing snow. That's where the danger comes in. You can see the McDonald's store there, open. People still eating a lot of junk. Exploring his driveway. You can see exploring his driveway. I'm gonna turn around here. It's way too much, blowing in my face. Going away. South. West, sorry. So I'm gonna turn around and head back. Look at that, guys. Snow is falling very hard now. Coming down really hard. I'm gonna turn around here. Back up the street. You can see. This is gonna be an epic video. Last storm in 2025. Yep. A car dealer, used car dealership place. You can see the hybrid cars. Look at those cars. Look at that car. That's a old car. A couple cars well in the driveway, in the parking lot. Yeah, that would be nice for Diane. I would like this for Diane. A Kia truck. It's coming down, guys. It's coming down harder and harder. Now it's behind me. I can breathe a sigh of relief. You can see the ladder max here. 46 million. 649, 14 million. Lots of people. Somebody owning it in Ontario. Yeah. It was up for grabs a couple weeks. Well, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look in the sky. Crazy. Snow is falling, man. Falling. Look coming. Yeah. This is a good vlog here, man. It's not a narrated video, it's just a straight video, guys. Look at it. So, what them people in the car wash? What them people in the car wash? I can't believe that. Seems like don't tell me that. I thought Kentucky did close. Not close. Still open, but nobody's going there. If you can take your here. The old city hall right here. I'm gonna take a walk up this street here. Heading back home. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I don't know how much business this place is. Seems like nobody's even in here. Wow. Blowing, guys, you know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wide out. It's a wide out, man. And this is in the night, guys. I'm heading back home right now. It was in the Christmas time. This guy have so much stuff up. I'm telling you. All so much ornament, guys, for his Christmas. Look. They all break down because of the turner. See? Look, so much ornament he has here. It's ridiculous. The amount of money this guy spent to do all this on time. You know what I mean? Money and time. Look at that. Seriously. Look at that. So much time he spent on this place. I'm telling you. I'll finish my vlog very soon. My video. Look at that. And this is where I finish my vlog, guys, right on this reindeer here.